morning. You hear how I sound? Yeah, man. Today is Sunday. And no, I do not have on the same pajamas from the other day. These are long sleeve. I just love the pink. And pink is my favorite color, but yeah. So, last night was it was a long night because I did not go to sleep until about 5 o'clock this morning. I could not sleep. I had a really bad cough. It was like a dry cough. Nothing was coming up. It was just like a really bad cough. And I didn't get much sleep. So I went to sleep at about 5 and then I was back up at 9. Because, everybody was kind of calling, texting, checking on me and things of that nature. But I still was just coughing and coughing. So now that I'm up, I took some more NyQuil because I need to sleep. Like, I'm tired. And I'm about to make me some breakfast. I'm not putting that mask on going out here because that mask makes it hard for me to breathe. And I'm going to just disinfect. But I'm about to make some breakfast. I want some grits and some sausage, something hot to put in my system other than soup. So I'm going to make some grits and some sausage. And I'm going back in the bed. Today is Sunday, so this is day 7. And I think I'm going to combine today and tomorrow's vlog because I'm not doing much today. I'm probably more than likely going to do a lot of sleeping today. So we are going to make some breakfast. We're going to get back in the bed and I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. All right, so I lied. I decided to go ahead and put the mask on because I was a little paranoid. I just don't want to spread nothing if I don't have to, even though I can't really breathe in this thing. But yeah, I just went ahead and decided to put the mask back on. And as you guys can see, I am done with my breakfast. So I'm going to have some grits, turkey sausage, some tea, and orange juice for breakfast. So I'm going to eat this, go get back in the bed, and it is going to be rest and relaxation for the rest of the day. Bye. All right, guys, so I said I wasn't going to post today, but I'm lying. I lied. I am going to post. I didn't do much, so the blog is going to be very short. It's just a quick update. I'm doing better. The cough has gone, which is kind of crazy, but I did take some cold medicine, so that might be why. And I've been sleeping. I just woke up because my recruiter brought me some more soup, the rice soup today. So I got up, I ate, and now I'm watching Queen Sugar because I needed to catch up on it. So yeah, guys, that is today's vlog. I have to get ready later to go to work because I have to go back to work tomorrow virtually, which I think is stupid because I should be recovering and not worrying about work, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.